turn it on?
It is on.
It's on? It's recording?
It is on and recording. There it goes. Domino. What happened here? I didn't even know it could do that. So he touches my stuff, and he was using my rod. You broke my rod! And now there's a fish on it. You did something to my rod.
What?
The handle is broken.
You just unscrew this until you can straighten it out.
Holy God.
Is your bait down there?
Mm-hmm. Thank you, I'm sorry. Fishing. Fishing. Jig, 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 jig. And...
Well, that's more. You get stuff below you. Right, stop.
That's where it stops.
Yeah, because that's the bottom.
Yeah. So I had it up a little bit.
Yeah, you had it up wicked a bit.
Jig, 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 jig. And drop.
There's like 3 feet of weeds.
But there's Bill. I think. Yep. Burp, 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 burp. There's a fish. Don't lose the fish. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh, it took my thing! It took my thing! My spoon! My Christmas present. And it is not a very big one. Were you what took my other one? Let me help you. Come on. I can't get him off.
He's all wrapped.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay.
Take mine so I can get a worm.
What?
So maybe have you use some artificial baits in it.
Okay.
Congratulations on the first fish of the day for the Casting Costas.
The other one was bigger. What did you get?
He's got my worm in his mouth.
Oh. Oh, you get another bluegill.
Yeah. That's what I said I had.
I didn't hear you.
It's just another bluegill. And there he goes, swallowing my worm. Consider yourself lucky.
We have been out here for 33 minutes. And I'm wondering how much longer I have to be out here for him to be happy that we did the fishing. Guys, I love you, Billy. You's my favorite. And I'm cold. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. See, I hold it in my left hand and the fish bite at it, and then I can't hook them because it's my left hand and my left hand is stupid. Oh. It has now been 20 minutes since I last told you how cold I was. So I will let you know now that I cannot feel my nose. And my right eyeball is especially cold. Yep.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, here we go. I got a mark. Come on, fishy. Oh, there he is. Oh, I ripped it out of his mouth. Ice hole. The hole is freezing up, so it's keeping the...
Do you know why?
Do you know why the hole is freezing?
The hole is freezing up?
Meanwhile, I'm here in a sweatshirt. Oh, there's a fish. Go sit in the car for a little bit if you want. Be warm up.
Where's the ice?
I don't know. It seemed like it was there because my jig would not go down. Got one. Got one, honey. It's pretty good too. Wow, it is a gigantic crappie. Holy moly. Wow, holy crap. Oh my God. Huh? This may be the one I hooked earlier. Yeah. On a crappie nibble. This is a fortune. Wow. This is cold. Yeah. Yeah. Got some weight to them. I don't, the scale's not going to turn on. Super thick fish. I mean, look at this. There we go. Off you go. Nice. Now, to find my jig. Oh, there it is. 14-inch crappie. PB. Want to try this hole? I said, you want to try this hole? I gotta retie. That thing broke when I threw him out of the water. All right, you're good right there. You got one coming up. Bring it up a little bit. Here it comes.
I do not see what you see at all.
Right there. See the break in the green?
Yeah.
That's a fish coming up to it.
This fish?
Yep, that fish.
This fish that I have.
Go on, pull it. Stand up a little bit, stand up, stand up.
Why?
Because I said so I can grab them. That's a hell of a bluegill though, honey. It's a fat bluegill. Just a bluegill, she says. It's a 7-inch bluegill. Guess when you catch as many bluegill as I have, this guy counts. I'm not trying to hurt him. He's
okay.
All right, fine.
All right.
Bait it yourself?
Yep, for the camera. Oh, darn, there's none in here.
You gotta dig for it.
You gotta dig. Ugh. Oh, and look at one fell out. Don't crawl on me.
Go through twice?
No.
You gotta go through twice.
No.
Don't, it'll just, someone will just come and grab it by the
I don't
back.
want to go through it
Push
twice.
right off.
You did that.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Ew.
Good job, honey.
We're gonna catch a real fish so I can go home. My phone says that it is 20 degrees. I was told that it was going to be like 30 degrees today. And it is not 30 degrees.
Amina's over there talking to herself. Talking to herself. Not that I'm really should be talking to myself too, because isn't that what we're supposed to be doing on these things? Talking about how we're out here fishing, trying to get fish. The wind's picking up. The sun's behind the clouds.
It is 20 degrees. Oh, now it's getting windy. Oh, good. I got a fish. I got a fish. It's probably a bluegill, but I got a fish. Yep. I'm supposed to get excited about the bluegills, right? Yay! Stupid f***. There it is. Hello. Hello, Mr. Bluegill. Hello. Bye. Come on, Ben. Bye. Thank you. That's fun.
Something looking at it. Alright guys, the bite was slow. We got that huge crappie, got a couple bluegill, lost that other crappie, not a single trap went off. Got cold.
Got cold. I got cold.
Someone got cold, so we had a good time. Great little pond here. Got some ideas of where to come next time we come here, and if it's a little warmer. Alright, see you next time.